Hey friends, welcome to another episode of SMARTDrive. This is your host Vishwajit. We are in Hyundai Creta SXO model, which is the top end version, and we are equipped with this GPS enabled big LED screen, which is also having a map function. All the features I have discussed in previous episodes. In case you have missed that, please click on this link. If you want to continue with the video, you can have those links in the video description. So this video is specially for making and special setting changing the home address. As you can clearly see, this is the home button and it is asking me to save this place, which is the current location of your car, as a home. So this is not my home address right now. What to do when I'm not at the current location but I need to save the home address? So first and foremost, you have to go to menu, then you have to type in what the address you need. So if you reside near Pune airport, we need to search that, and then you will have multiple listing over that. So this could be a proper address for my home. So this could be a location. What I need to do right now is to add this in the address book. Okay, so now it is added into address book. You have to press home button once again. It is going in the home menu. Then you have to press menu. Right now, for the address book, you have saved two different locations. So first location is of recently adjusted. So in case you want to save this map location as your home, just press edit, go to favorite and just click home. After adding this thing, your home address is changed now. See, it is calculating right now and it is showing me a tentative way to go over there. So this was the quick tip regarding changing your home address by just having few setting change. So thanks for watching. This is Vishwajit signing off from SMARTDrive.